Hello there, and I'm here to guide you through gel polish with hand dolly, the best practice hand ever.
240 for grip file, and first we're going to press the natural nail. You're going to go around the cuticle using the round part of the file. You're going to take away the shine and downward strokes. Each time I come up, I'm actually lifting and then tearing with the file. That's all your natural nails. You're then going to come in and shape the natural nail. You're going to come from this side, you're going to rotate from that side all the way through to the front. Go and through to the front. And then that's going to shape your natural nail. And then you're going to go from the right hand side all the way round to the stick. When you've shaped all the nails, you're now going to take them all off. Now you're going to place the nail. You're going to swipe your product to make sure all the product's on one side of the brush. You're going to lay it here. You're going to bounce into the cuticle and bring it down. And you're going to use the side of your brush to run the side of the nail, trying to not touch the skin and tap the free edge. Do that for all the rest of the nails until you can take the gel polish out and lift away from you, so all the gel polish is on one side of the brush. You're going to come into the cuticle. You're then going to bounce up to the cuticle, straight down, and then use the sides of the brush to run the edges and bring a straight line. Tap the free edge. And do this on all of your fingers. And again, so you're going to go in with your second layer of gel polish to give it its true colour. Bring it to here and bounce up into the cuticle. Using the edge of the brush, touch the edges and tap that free edge. Continue on all your fingers and curing the light. But then you're going to use your top coat. This is a pearl top coat to show you how it glides nicely on top of your 2 layers of colour. Looks gorgeous. Tap the nail. Do the rest and cure.